Hi, my name is Daniel, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Auritine supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Auritine supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Auritine, because Auritine is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Auritine and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Auritine really works. Auritine is a simple dietary supplement made from an all-natural combination of natural components that aids in treating tinnitus and other associated symptoms. While other treatments concentrate on the ears, the Auritine formula effectively solves the issue by addressing the underlying source of the problem, which occurs in the brain. A pure supply of 28 significant extracts and vitamins supplied naturally without any additions minimizes the inflammatory effects of the brain that create the buzzing noise. The capsules are safe, non-GMO, and diabetic-friendly. Auritine tablets may help restore ear health by reducing memory problems and replenishing the brain with the required nutrients. Auritine was created as a simple morning hack to keep one's hearing healthy. To assure safety, the Auritine capsules are produced in the United States under GMP-certified procedures. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Auritine supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Auritine pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Auritine to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Auritine pills has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Auritine supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Auritine supplement actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.